I'm making this video because I'm so triggered right now. Listen to me. It is not difficult to live a rich life. It is not difficult to save and invest money. I don't care what kind of situation you're in. I don't care how little you earn. People come up to me all the time and just complain and complain. And I'm sick of hearing it. All you need is consistency and patience. What you want to simply be doing is to compound all of your earnings from your investments till you retire. And then once you retire, live off of the earnings from your investments. It's that simple. Did you know that just by investing $150 a month, if you regularly invest at 7% ROI per annum, you will be a millionaire in just 30 years. Now, I can already see it in the comments that I'm not 30, I'm 40, I'm 50. I don't care. All you have to do is reverse engineer what your target goals are at the time of retirement and work back to what you need to save every month. And then work towards it. Stop giving excuses. At the end of the day, it's all simple math. Sit down, I'll leave some calculators in the description below. Have a look and start working towards it. Get rid of all your high interest debts like your credit card debts, personal loans, and so on. We'll leave the car loans for a little bit later, and last we'll tackle the mortgages. And when you figure out that amount, make a way, make a budget, and make a plan to come up with that money to save and invest every single month. That's it. If you still can't come up with that money, sell the stuff that you don't need. Stop trying to live an Instagram lifestyle. Nobody's going to help you when you don't have money. Nobody's going to help you when you're broke. But start today. Stop giving excuses. If you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments, but it is not difficult. Stop it right now. Learn to live a simple but peaceful life. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one.